Well, this brings us to the end of our video series. As you have likely discovered by now, pivot tables are a very flexible tool requiring minimal technical know-how to analyze raw data and gain insights. As much ground as we've covered in this series, there are still many features to implement with pivot tables. So, when the time is right, I encourage you to check out our resources list to extend your learning. There is one additional feature I do want to highlight before we leave, which is called Power Pivot. Everything we have been doing so far is in pivot tables and pivot charts. If you have a newer version of Microsoft Excel, you will have the option for an add-in package called Power Pivot. Now, as the name suggests, it is very powerful. It lets you manipulate hundreds of millions of records. Excel normally has a constraint around 1 million records, which you might have come across. Power Pivot lets you go way beyond and bring in data from multiple database types. For example, if you have a relational database, you can connect that database to Excel. If you are inclined to learn more, just Google it or check out our resources page for this series. In any case, now you've seen me perform these tips and tricks with pivot tables, so hopefully you followed along and practiced on your end too. Now, what are you going to do with this newfound power? Who else can you teach within your organization or even your personal life? Please spread the wealth, spread the knowledge, and let's help increase data literacy among the field. And please be sure to let your DaSy TA contacts know how you are using these things to move forward. We would love to hear your stories. That's all for now. Bye-bye.